In this video, we will explore the concept of the event object in React. Understanding event objects is very important when dealing with user interactions and dynamic behavior in your React applications. The event object is a JavaScript object. This object contains information about the event that was triggered. Events could be mouse clicks, keyboard inputs, or form submissions. Whenever such events are triggered, the event object provides details about them. Here's a basic example of an event handler in React. We define a component called button. Inside this component, we have a function called handleClick. This function takes event as an argument. Inside the function, we log a message to the console indicating that the button was clicked. We also log the event object itself to inspect its properties. The button component returns a button element. When clicked, the onClick event is triggered, which calls the handleClick function. React uses SyntheticEvent. It is a wrapper around the browser's native DOM events. This ensures that your event handling behaves consistently across different browsers. Native DOM events are specific to each browser and may have different properties. SyntheticEvent provides a unified interface, making your code more reliable and portable. Let's explore some common properties available in the event object. Event.type tells you the type of the event that occurred, like a click. Event.target refers to the element that triggered the event. Event.currentTarget refers to the element where the event listener is attached. Lastly, event.timestamp provides a timestamp of when the event occurred. The preventDefault method is used to stop the default behavior of an event. For example, when submitting a form, the default behavior is to refresh the page. By calling event.preventDefault, you can prevent this from happening and handle the form submission with your custom logic. This allows you to validate the data or send it to an API without a page reload. The stopPropagation method is used to stop the event from bubbling up to the parent elements. Consider a scenario where you have a button inside a div, and both elements have click event listeners. If you click the button, both the buttons and the div's click handlers will be executed. By calling event.stopPropagation in the button's click handler, you can prevent the div's click handler from being executed. To summarize, React provides synthetic event objects for cross-browser compatibility. Also use preventDefault and stopPropagation to control event behavior. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.